Action!
Know what to do?
Not sure what to do with my hands.
So I felt bad leaving you guys yesterday and cutting the video off with us not going to the junkyard because I think we all enjoy hanging out at the junkyard. So today we're going.
I want to try that thing. You saw it on TikTok where you like tap the glass on the back and then draw it and then do that and it just shatters.
I have no clue what you're talking about, but let's try it. Does it involve spark plugs?
We could do that one.
I
know that one is a guarantee. The porcelain actually breaks it.
Regardless, we're going to the junkyard. Dedek's getting some tools here because what are we looking for?
Power steering pump. Because that's literally the last thing we need to actually put a belt on this thing and like actually run it.
We were actually driving it earlier and we blew the power steering pump.
Yeah. Those four-wheel drive burnouts while trying to steer. Oh.
There's really bad like connectivity in here. That Bluetooth's not connecting for the front drive shaft.
Okay. So we made it to the junkyard / pick apart part of town. Following Snow's beautiful Duramax there. Snow, I don't think we've shown these weapons you carry on you on the channel yet, buddy, but they look great driving down the road. You might want to conceal those better, bud.
Nah.
They ain't California compliant.
Actually, he's got his open carry, so if he conceals, it's actually a
It's a felony?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I respect it.
He's got to
I
show
technically can't even have a mask on in my truck because it's a class 4 felony.
I hear you.
Scoping out LSs today because I do have a 40% off one of my next purchases here, so I can get a whole LS harness and everything for under like $250. Oh, yo, there's a YJ here? Actually, hold on. Hold on, there's a YJ here. I haven't seen a YJ in a junkyard.
Break the windshield.
Oh, what do we got, Dedek? What do we need?
What? Dude, actually, I might steal those.
You mean pay for?
Steal those motor mounts. This is a 350 swapped YJ.
Can we get the LOI swapped K20 done first?
Yo. Hold on. Can we need to put blinders on Dedek just to the part he needs. Go ahead, tell us how much you need this and why.
Because the motor coming out of the C10 is eventually going to go in the Jeep, the YJ.
Is it though?
I don't need them. I'll pay for the swap stuff.
There you go. Don't put this on my face. I think the thing with blinders, you're not supposed to see through them. It's like taking your kid to Toys R Us, man. This is a bad idea. You got to go buy whatever they wanted separately. You can't take them.
Worth it.
That's worth it?
That's got an AX15 adapter to a 350.
All right, I regret not wearing boots today. Hey, this is some good California compliant water here. Why is it so many rainbow colors? I'm making the jump, boys. I'm making the jump.
You're gonna eat it. I was waiting for the.
Yeah, bro. Oh, bro, what do we got back there? Dude, we need one of these.
I've been trying to find one of these to chop the top off and make a Team Cowie race rig.
Check out the gas cap.
What we got? Stay wild. Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Bro, those body panels are beautiful.
This poor baby, just neglected.
All right, what do we got here, Dedek?
It's still here.
What?
Are you looking for the gearbox?
No, not on this one. Oh. Because I need a Duramax or Chevy style 6.5 liter.
Shoot. Here's a set of door handles I was looking at, but then they were
garbage.
Collapsed.
Oh, hey, look at that.
Is this a K20 requirement to have these cheap little
you didn't know?
horns?
Yes.
You didn't know, that's why I left one on.
Hold on, we got us some OBS's. What do we need?
Yeah, sir.
Good old 5.3.
Uh-oh. Is this the one we're taking? It looks a little jacked up.
All they did was take the throttle body off of it.
Yeah, but she been leaking.
I actually think there is an LOY.
Yeah, it's a 2500 van, dude.
Actually,
this is Dave's world right here.
This might have my pump.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
All right. Oh, look at the pegboard in the back. This thing's pretty set up.
I don't want to touch anything.
You had AIDS once, you had it twice. You know, what's the difference?
Yeah, that's going to be a pain.
This is when we need the excavator. I can just rip the whole front end off and you can get what you need.
Nope, it's not it. Doesn't have the bracket I need.
Alright. Bro.
This thing's sweet.
We should put this on the ranch and let Dave live in it. I feel like it's got curtains. Hold on, I bet we could. Snow, you want to say this is a clean body actually? It's pretty straight. 1990, dog.
Oh my gosh.
I mean,
Dude, that's
not bad.
Dash uncracked? What?
Alright, Snow, what are we starting the auction at?
I got $2.
30 pack. Bush light.
Somebody already snagged the injectors off this one.
Look at the wheels though. We need the wheels off this thing.
Did you see this one?
What do we got?
Those are clean.
This one's a little torched.
That one seen better days. That one's seen better days.
Now we know why it's
Little Little MIG fill.
What, you found the engine you want?
This is
I was
pretty.
looking at this truck today. These door handles, but
This is pretty much the exact setup I pulled my motor from my C10 from. See, they're there. If you want to do a motor swap, you just gotta come and look. This is the whole motor. I would pull this. You could easily do what I did to my motor and pop it into a C10.
What do you think we're all in, dollar-wise?
The C10 total, that was actually pretty cheap, honestly. I would say I'm under 1,500 for getting from like, or the K20, sorry, I keep saying C10. The K20, easily under 15. That's with tuning and everything.
Gotcha.
Yeah, easily.
Now, what is your musical inspiration?
selling mixtapes.
Seal.
We got here, we got my least favorite OBS interior.
Oh, the Helen Keller Museum.
What?
You never heard this one referred to the Helen Keller Museum?
No. No, I'm not, I'm not gonna say I'm a Helen Keller expert, but I'm missing the correlation.
I don't know the correlation. I've always just heard it as the Helen Keller Museum. So that interior and then the all blue interior is the worst.
I don't know what Ford was thinking when they did those back in the day.
Pull them on the other ones. I knew I'd find one in my collection.
Yeah. Oh, jeez, there goes the thumb, boys.
Ow!
I told you.
Why'd you hit me? I didn't hit you. Here, try it again.
Okay. We didn't want to listen to first. You gonna get some ceramic to the eye.
You can't cover your eyes.
Catch you, buddy.
Ow. Jesus Christ. Ow!
I don't think we're meant for this, boys. There you go.
Oh, no. Oh, boys. Listen, if I don't make it, don't let them turn it into a coffee table. Okay, please, that's all I ask.
And how much do you think they want for one of these big tanks? I could use one of these at the ranch.
Dude, imagine burying one and building like a little house out of one.
Right? Oh, this comes with 4 cats.
I like cats.
Dad's got the AIDS now. So
I got
you got the junkyard AIDS.
Lifetime Rona.
What's in there, buddy?
Bet you needed this.
Oh!
That's actually going on the K20.
Yeah, that's
Little pocket.
There you go. Look at the paint job on this thing. It's the Yee Mobile right here. The red accents. All right,
I don't know,
kids.
how hard do you have to throw it?
I don't think that hard, but
Chuck it.
kind of hard. Don't try this at home, kids.
Wait, is the back glass tempered?
I don't know.
It should be. That'll do it. That's
That's how you get kicked out of the junkyards. Ooh.
C30, baby.
Are those like aftermarket fender flares on this thing?
What?
These are fender flares, dude.
This thing's 8 lug?
Yeah. It's a C30. It's a 1-ton van.
Bro, look at this chain.
Bro, it's a convertible.
What?
Whoa.
There's no roof.
Oh!
Bro. We need this.
This is it's a 75.
We need this.
It's got a 14-bolt. Full floater.
Bro, it comes with an American flag, a jump seat.
It's got a 14-bolt full floater in it, too.
Dude, he's got water hookups.
This gives off a little rapey vibes with the spray painted windows.
Last stop to hell, yeah. Really, you think so? Kind of wants. This one don't got a roof either.
It's like half prison.
It's half prison?
I mean, like,
Oh, that's so you don't get out on your trip to hell. Oof. How many drugs do you think were done in this freaking van?
a lot. But could you imagine this being like, this would be fun on the ranch. You just have a bunch of random, like, rear seats bolted in there.
Just like a hangout?
And no, you just drive.
Oh, cruiser. Snow's got this.
Oh, you got a good motor right here.
Bro, we need this. We need this decal. Mr. China do things.
Dude, the hood is like 10 miles.
I bet we could fit some big engines under this thing. Daddy, get it open for us. No cats in this one, okay?
Look at the wood grain.
Oh, bro, it needs every inch of that hood. I actually like that paint job on that OBS.
Hey, those are methods.
Yeah, right? You stolen methods?
Yeah.
Dang, son. What do we need? So this thing's been painted. We got the nice spray paint overspray job.
Okay, that's nice, that's nice.
I like the tow rope, though.
Seatbelt?
Seatbelt tow rope?
Can we nab these stacks?
The stacks are actually pretty. Bro, look at the weld job on that one.
Absolutely not.
This is going on Dedek's truck.
No. That is.
We could
Dude, they're not even hooked up. They're just for looks.
No, there's a downpipe right there.
Yeah, but it's on.
Well, yeah, I mean, by looking at his boogery welds over there, they probably snapped a long time
Check
ago.
out this little guy.
You got,
Look how cute he is.
dude. We could put that on the Zuma.
Look how cute it is.
Bro. What do we got back there? Ooh, nice hopper.
How'd they get in there?
That fence is really 4,000 volts.
I don't think that fence is 4,000 volts.
I think it's just a sign.
Well, it's not 4,000 volts because it says 7,000 volts.
That's what I meant to say.
It's okay.
Dedek, touch it.
Dyslexic.
No.
Touch it. I guarantee it's not. Arc it out with something. Ooh, a wooden ladder. What's this?
That's what interests you, the wooden ladder?
Yeah.
You know how expensive ladders are?
Yeah. Well, we struck out at the first junkyard, so now we're gonna head to the next one here. All right, are you man enough for this?
Yeah.
You sure?
Just do it.
You
I've already accepted.
Are you gonna cry
I
on
hate
camera?
it when you do this. You like wait to see me back. I'm not Chris. Alright, just do it. I don't want. Gotta rub it in. Gotta rub it in. Just...
Walk it off. Is this the junkyard? Or is this the border, man? Look at them armed guards. Like, jeez.
No, that's more. They had to go somewhere. Biden took them from the border.
Okay, junkyard number 2. Let's see what happens. Dedek, I think this one's been a little stripped here. Look at that drive shaft.
That's a dually.
Look at that drive shaft.
14-bolt rear end. And the way you can tell it's a dually is you see the gap between the actual hub and how far this sticks out.
Yep.
So remember how I said if I wanted to run dually, all I need to get is new hubs?
Yeah.
That's what I meant. All I'd have to do is grab this hub.
Pull them off. Let's go.
No, absolutely.
Dually swapping the K20.
No.
We got here with OBS. Ho ho ho! We found the holy grail, boys. Snow!
Dmax?
Nah, I found an ashtray.
Did you? Get it.
You can never find ashtrays for these things ever. It's the first thing that gets stripped. And this thing, how far down it is stripped. I'm so surprised it's got the ashtray in it. Snow, we need this. How do you pull these out? Now, some of y'all probably don't know about good old Southern California junkyards. Is number 1, they barely have anything. And like the newest vehicle you're gonna see is like an 04 if you're lucky. Number 2 is this ashtray is probably gonna cost more than it would like to buy a new one. Yeah, there's gotta be a little tab.
It's like buried back here though.
You got this, buddy.
Let me get the knife back.
What do we got? What do we got?
Color swatch?
Ooh.
Sherman Williams? Can we find Chick-fil-A yellow?
Oh. It's close. That bottom one's pretty close. Dang, son.
Yeah, they literally just push right. There's a little metal tab that you gotta like bend out of the way.
It's got some writing on it. Ooh, this is some reproductions. Oh, kind of. Oh, got some.
Windows?
What do we got in here?
And we have the nice, cigarette in there.
Do you?
Yeah.
Dude, this has got a nice dash. It's got nice everything. That one's a nicer cigarette lighter. Get that one out, Dedek.
What?
We need you to get another one out. Dude, this center console right here. These are.
I'm going through something.
I kind of want the center console. It's nicer than.
Is the gray? Is the regular cab gray on the inside?
Yeah.
Oh.
My gray truck was just like this. I actually have one of these sitting at the shop from my gray truck. The single cab one's broken, so this flops all the way down. This is like my lucky day, because I was literally just telling these guys every time I've ever been here, there's like 20 OBS trucks, ashtrays are missing on all of them.
Actually, dude, this is just as nice. You just gotta clean it up. That's it.
Yeah. Listen, y'all, I'm on a mission today. We're finding as many ashtrays as we can find. I saw another OBS. Oh, bro, yeah. Somebody let a yellow can of spray paint. Maybe they were going for Chick-fil-A.
No, it was Rasta.
Oh, okay.
Bob Marley, Bob's Mobile Detailing. I bet it was all Rasta inside. It's got a Rasta hood. Portrait of Bob Marley up there.
Jeez. This OBS has a clean front end. All right, what do we got inside? Got an ashtray?
No, it's robbed. Dude,
Boys, we need a club. Dude, it's Rhino line?
Yeah.
Dang.
with a lift kit.
This thing was Gucci'd out. Look at the color combo. I like that color combo. Club wagon.
Bro, this thing's a monster on the inside.
Is it a party inside or what?
You could.
Look at that spray foam in the door. This thing was well insulated.
This body's actually very straight.
Well, yeah, it's Rhino lined.
That's me.
I mean, you know, they ripped out some panels, but we can make this thing nice again.
Put a hot tub?
We got Soul Patrol.
And can I get a hot tub?
This one's the one we need, boys. Caution pepper spray. Take a whiff, Snow.
I can't smell.
Oh, yeah. All right.
You want an inhaler?
Well, Junkyard 2 was a strikeout again for Dedek, but we came up. Got our 2 ashtrays right there. Now we're gonna go try a couple more junkyards here. Hopefully this isn't like a complete video of strikeouts, but it's starting to look that way. All right, here we go. Try number 22. Walking the mean streets of the junkyards.
It's like we're down in TJ right now.
We are. You start seeing the little bikes and stuff like they're commuters. That thing got ripped in half. I didn't know it went all. Oh, Silverado.
Silverado.
I didn't know there was a Silverado yard. I like the Silverado yard. Look, we got landscaping, nice plants. Is that a fern? Look, it's beautiful.
Fern's barbecue?
Fern, semi-famous barbecue? Power stroking something?
Oh, we got a 6'4" sitting right here.
Boys, there it is. That's what we need. We need the FedEx van.
My roots right here.
Thanks. No 6.0.
Mm-hmm.
Good old days.
That's a good LS right there, 5.3.
I got pulling this turbo down to like a 20-minute job.
This is how we sneak in, boys. Anything good back there, Snow?
VIP only section.
Or jacks.
It melted.
Meth has definitely been cooked in that thing.
Yeah.
You think so? Well, y'all, not every video can be full of a bunch of wins. So our hunt is still on for the part that Dedic needs for the K20, but he's got some other parts that have shown up. So we're gonna continue to make progress on that build. But with that, we're gonna wrap up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like and a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn.